You can do it.
Go ahead, honey, push it.
Turn them on. You gotta squeeze his foot. I'll do it for you. What, frogs aren't supposed to sing about Christmas? Can you give him a kiss? You might turn into a prince. Mwah! No such luck yet. Say Merry Christmas. It's not Christmas yet. We'll work on that one. Okay.